The Vivo S50 series was announced back in December, and we are now getting our first set of info for its successors. The upcoming S60 series is now being teased in China, where Vivo product manager Han Buxiao shared images of the vanilla S60 model. It seems like it will have an aluminum frame and a triple camera setup. The model shown in the teaser features a gradient design with sparkling elements. S60 will arrive with a 6.59-inch flat AMOLED panel with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It is also expected to retain the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chip of its predecessor. The main camera is rumored to get an upgrade to a 200MP sensor, which would replace the 50MP shooter on the S50. We're also hearing talk about a 50MP telephoto cam, a larger battery capacity, and IP69 ingress protection. The teaser did not provide any details on the S60 Pro Mini. According to rumors, Vivo S60 will launch globally as the Vivo V80. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.